Hey there guys, I'm Imanshu and welcome to Filmora music video editing series, where I'm gonna teach you some amazing stuff. So in this episode, we're gonna learn this effect.
I got spirals in my eyes like I'm hypnotized. I'ma do it B.I.G. I fucking need it now. And you not suited for this life, I gotta cut her ties. When that bitch gave me head, I swear.
Import your clip into Filmora. Now drag it into the timeline. And now drag it again above the first one. Now we have two same clips parallel to each other. Okay, now double click on the second video and go to its compositing. And here change it to difference. Now you will see that our main video goes black. And that's what we want. So simply now double click on the first video and then go to its color tabs and here make the contrast to max and the saturation also to the max. And now as for the brightness, keep it between -30 to -50. Well, it's your choice how much you want to go for. You can even go for a different value to create something unique for yourself. It totally depends on your choice. Now you can see that it is giving us a quiet heat vision look with a negative filter effect also. But you know what? Let's give it that extra touch. Just simply go to the effects tab into the filter section and now scroll down to the bottom till you see this pixelated edge filter, and now take this filter and put it on the second video. And now you will see this yellowish highlighting lines on the video. If you want, then you can also change the color of this yellowish line. To do that, simply double click on the second video and then go to its video settings. And here now change the color of these lines to any color that you want to. You can also adjust the intensity if you like to. And now guys, our effect is done. So guys, in the next video, I will teach you how to create this border edge video kind of effect. So do like, share, subscribe and turn the notification bell to get notified when I upload this next video. And I will see you later.
I see you inside.